In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect your Webull account to TradingView so you can trade directly from TradingView's powerful charts. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials, and then I want you to hover to the product section where you can see the super charts. I want you to click on it, and this will open the trading panel. You want to make sure that the trading panel is enabled by hovering to the bottom left corner and click the open trading panel, and then we need to select the broker, click the search bar and type in, of course, Webull. So there are two options. You have the Webull Pay or Webull Only. If you have both accounts, you can click any of them, but I'm gonna choose the first one. Okay, now by selecting these, click the connect button. It will allow you to trade directly from TradingView charts, combining analysis and execution in one platform. You get live codes, price updates, and order book data from Webull directly in TradingView, ensuring your analysis uses the most accurate information. Okay? Now you can buy and sell right here without switching between platforms. You can support markets, limit stops, orders via the TradingView interface. You can simply avoid manual copying of signals or trades within the TradingView to Webull. It reduces errors and speeds up your trading workflow. TradingView also gives the ability for the Webull trade if you access all of these in the left hand area of the dashboard. It is kind of useful for swing trading, day trading, or executing strategies very quickly. And basically that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.